my dash cam blew up on my last trip, so I gotta use my iPhone. Sorry about that. I normally like to keep both hands on the wheel. I don't know what the fuck's going on here, but somebody's in the ditch. Not usually in the ditch until the winter time, though. This stretch is bad in the winter. I don't know what could be going wrong here. Good weather. Rainbow Warriors. Well, I'm at the 7-Eleven in Quesnel, BC, and if you don't know about this place, here's a tip for you. If you're looking for some eats and you're on Highway 97 going north or south, they got these little packages here that they make every day. It's basically just meat and cheese, pickle, tomato, and a couple of crackers. It's kind of like, if you have a look here, you get way more meat than you get on a Subway. Plus, you don't get the crappy bread, which you just shit out anyway. And then for $8, you basically get a Slurpee for dessert. So, nice little tip. $8 for lunch. Fills you up. Here it comes. I hope nothing breaks.